Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete these applications off your home screen on your Android phone. So just simply go to the application you no longer want. So here's Files, for example. I can just hold down on it, and I have this option to remove it. So you can just simply remove it like that. Otherwise, the second option is to hold down on the app. So here's Files again. And then just move this around and go to the top and go to Remove. So go over to like a widget. You can do this on widgets too. So you can hold down on the widget, go to remove right here, and then you can completely get rid of it. So you can hold down on the home screen again. If you want to go to widgets, you can re-add the widget. You just have to find it under here. You can go to like browse. So here's one for this. I think I saw something for a robot vacuum right here. I can add it to my home screen now. Otherwise, I can go to app list, and then I can just hold down on the app and then bring it to my home screen just like that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.